Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to use the four corners of display screen to perform different actions in any Windows computer. So without further delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open any web browser and in the Google search, just search for one application named as WinX Corners, and on the first list you will see its developer website. Just click on it. Now on the right side you will see here releases. Just click on it. Now just click on this assets. Now you will see here one file with .zip. So you need to download this file. So finally the file has been downloaded. So let me go to the folder where it's being downloaded and let me close this web browser. So just double click it to extract this zip file. Now just open this extracted folder. Now just click on this WinX Corners application. So now you can see the application has started and you can see the icon on the taskbar tray menu. So now just click on it. Now you will see here four different options. So just click on it. Now which options you want to select here right now. So I'll just select all windows. So you can manually select different options here. So right now these are the options you're gonna get. So let me select different options here. So I've selected the different options for different corners. So now let us check if this really gonna works or not. Now what you need to do is just move your mouse cursor towards the different corners of your display screen. So let us try from the left top corner. So now you can see here it's working. Now let us try the left bottom corner. So now you can see. Now let us try the right bottom corner. So now you can see. And let us try the right top corner. Now you can see here it's working perfectly. So by using this cool application named as WinX Corners, you can easily use the four corners of display screen to perform different actions in any Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.